Hello and welcome, crafty friends. This is Rachel, Crafting Mama Bear. Today I'm going to show you how I made my Valentine's Day centerpiece for my table. I used this white bowl that I've had for probably 5 or 6 years, a piece of styrofoam, 2 bundles of white roses, 2 bundles of the baby's breath, and 5 bundles of the red roses. I think I picked up this dish at Ross about 5 years ago for, I don't know, like $12 or $13, and I did have it on my coffee table, but now that my daughter is mobile and up and about, we took the coffee table out and I wasn't using this, so I thought it would make a perfect centerpiece. So I know a lot of people, when they're doing florals, will take out the leaves on the flowers. I prefer to leave them in. One, I think it gives it a more natural look, and 2, it helps fill in your arrangement. If you take out the greenery, you'll have to use quite a bit more flowers in order to fill in some of those holes. So what I'm doing is I'm cutting down the stems. There's probably still about 4 inches on the stem, and then I'm just putting it into the foam. They do have foam at Dollar Tree that you can purchase. This is just a piece that I had left over from another project. And when you're doing a centerpiece or any type of floral display, the trick is symmetry. So if you add a red rose to one end, you want to add a red rose to the other end. And same thing with my white roses. I try to put in my white roses and my baby's breath pretty early on because I have less of them and I want to make sure that they're spaced out pretty well. But you just go with it and just do what looks best. There's no rhyme or reason to it except for the symmetry. If you have a symmetrical looking display, it's more pleasing to the eye. So that's my one piece of advice when doing something like this. It's really easy. This is real time. I left it in. It took, I don't know, probably 10 minutes for me to do this. I did have to go out and buy a couple more bouquets of roses because I didn't have enough, but that wasn't a big deal. So I'm curious to know if you guys are going to be making centerpieces. Or if you're even going to be decorating for Valentine's Day. I know it's not a very popular holiday, and I know a lot of people don't do much. I made this centerpiece, and I do have another video that's going to be coming up not next week but the following, with pieces that I made for my fireplace, so keep an eye out for that. Next week I actually have a fun collab video, so if that's something that you're interested in seeing, make sure that you hit subscribe so you won't miss that video. It should be fun. So just continue placing the roses in. I did place it on top of one of my winter scarves, and I think it turned out really, really pretty. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up and leave me a comment and let me know if you're going to be decorating for Valentine's Day. And until next time, bye-bye.